Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to do a fun activity to help your children with number recognition. For that we use a beanbag, but if you don't have a beanbag at home, don't worry too much, you can make your own. So you can use 2 Ziploc bags just for extra durability, and you can fill it with rice or lentils, pasta, anything you have. And the nice thing about it is once you've done playing, you can open it up and you can use it for your cooking. So I've made one already. Make sure that you seal it really well though before you start your game. So for this game, I've put some numbers up the staircase, and I'll be showing you shortly how to do that. But if you don't have a staircase at home, you can just randomly place your numbers on the floor, ask your child to toss the beanbag to the number and see who can shout out the number first. Come on, let's go and play. Okay, are we ready? Let's see where my beanbag's gonna fall. Ready, steady, go. 3! Now it's Tracey's turn.
Hi everyone, now it's my turn. We are sharing today. I think I'm going to go for the top one, Hester, and I'm going to go for number 5. 5!
Okay, my turn again. Tracey, I think I'm going to try to toss it onto number 2. Let's see if I can. Yes, I did it. Your turn.
Okay, Hester. Oh, I wonder which one I shall go for. I think I'm going to go for number 1. Ready, steady, go!